Welcome back friends, finally I decided to make step-by-step full tutorial on Adobe Illustrator most advanced tool. When we reach cross 1000 subscriber, I'll share with you full process of how to make realistic portrait in Adobe Illustrator. You can see in the background, I'll also share some secrets of this tool like tips and tricks. I have done this portrait in 2018 in my starting, that time I took almost 3 days to complete this portrait. You can see the detail work. If you want to learn this, please do subscribe to get notified when I uploading videos on that. Please share this video with your friends who are interested in this and also hit the like button. Thank you. We will start soon on this. Also let me know in the comments about your suggestions.